So this is it, day 4 of the video diaries. I've had a bit of a shave, and so that's the big news really. Today's been kitting and cutting, so the office has been noisy with the laser cutter running. I've taken a couple of bits of video which I'm going to try to just edit into this section, so maybe rather than have my face, this will cut away now and we'll look at some acrylic going into the laser cutter. And what you might notice on here is that the acrylic we're using has no backing on it, so it has no protective screen. And we're able to do this because of the pin bed that I've built there. So that stops any of the monomer material when it's burnt from marking the acrylic. And then we'll also just see what mi-arm plates look like when they come off. Like I say, I also did the kitting, which is the most fun bit, which is putting screws into shot glasses. That was me flicking a piece of camera equipment across the room, across my desk really. And that's pretty much been the order of the day really, is those two things, a bit of admin over email. I did have a bit of a late start this morning. I went for a 10k run because I've not been out running recently. Resting after to the medals in the middle up there. Got those from Spartan, doing a Spartan weekend trifecta. So running the 3 things together gets you that big medal on the. Actually, yeah, it's not quite the big one on the end. But yeah, so those, and that's the first one I've been out with since then. Also, I've just done a very quick 3-second pan and cross of the state of what is that side of the camera, and very much in need of a sort out, and also sale. I think I said before I had the boxes behind me, which are now just over there, are full of my parts of my Star Wars collection that I need to move on to someone more appreciative of it. And yeah, so that's kind of been the day, and here we are on Friday. Going to try and make it along to Maker Central on Sunday, so I'll grab the tickets and head down to the NEC. I'm going to take my boys with me, so I've got an 8-year-old and a 10-year-old are going to come along, and Colin Furs is very much the draw for them, so they're looking forward to seeing Colin and whatever he's brought along to Maker Central. I know I've not seen a lot of the Maker community in a while, so hope to see a few familiar faces there and catch up with you a bit more this year. Like to make it out a bit more and and see some of the old crew. Hope you're all well, and maybe see you Sunday. Cheers, bye.